I'm out to be right now. So, yeah guys, share the video. And we're gonna go in. This is it right here. We're going in. You see the subject. Stop emasculating these women. Hey, this is gonna be crazy. The subject right here about to be crazy. Comments. I know where we're going with this post, and I want to explain something. Okay, some things we're going to explain. Now, what does it mean to stop emasculating these women? I know that's a crazy subject, but it's the truth. Masculinity comes in female and male form. If you are an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aries, Sagittarius, you have a lot of that in your chart. 5th house, 10th house, even 8th house. These are masculine energies. I want to talk about energies outside of gender. Y'all share the video, man. You see that little arrow right there? It's like a little airplane. Hit that little airplane and share the video. Let me know if we're breaking up. All the air signs, fire signs. You got a lot of fire in your chart. Firehouses. We gotta stop emasculating these women. What I mean by that is, I know we always talk about emasculating the man and his gender, but energy goes beyond gender. So we all have to have a balance of masculine and feminine energy in us. And sometimes our females are held to the standard to be feminized and emasculated. When they need that masculine energy to use it to get things done, to be strong, to be able to do things. And sometimes we can emasculate a female. And this is very important.